there, star performers. Welcome back to Mango Reader. Today we are diving into an exciting and glamorous adventure with Ty's Travels, Showtime by Kelly Starling Lyons. Ty is about to step onto the stage and shine bright like a star. Are you ready to join him for this fabulous journey? Have you ever wanted to be on stage, performing and showing everyone your amazing talents? Well, Ty is about to do just that. Let's see what happens when the spotlight is on him. Before we get started, make sure to like this video if you love all things Showtime and subscribe to Mango Reader so you can join us for more fun backstage adventures with Ty. Alright, it's time to get this show on the road. Let's see what happens when Ty steps into the spotlight. Ty's Travels, Showtime. I'm Ty. I love my class. I see kids making cities. I see kids dancing. I see kids painting. What do? I pick up a boat. I'm a captain. I sail on the sea. I see a bowl and mix batter. Time to bake. My tea cakes smell so good. What else can I do? I look around. Music corner. Then I see them. Red drums. That drum set is all alone. It's quiet and waiting. It wants to be played. What do? I step on stage. It's showtime. A spotlight shines. I hit the drums. Rap-a-tap-a-tap. I play fast and slow. I play hard and soft. I bob my head to the beat. People groove as I play. Next I see a guitar. I strum the strings. Trum, 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 trum. I rock to the music. The crowd grooves too. Look at that piano. I press the keys. Plink-a-plink, plink. My fingers fly. The piano sings like a bird. I wish I could play everything at once. I frown and look around. I see my friend Ari. I see my friend Zaz. I smile and walk over. Want to make a band? I race to the drums. Ari grabs the guitar. Zaz zips to the piano. Rap-a-tap-tap, trum-a-trum-trum-trum. Pink-a-pink-pink. A spotlight shines. I feel the magic. Ari and Zaz do too. Our teacher claps and grins. You started something, she says. I see friends joining in. One friend strikes the triangle. Another plays a cowbell. Two blow horns. I know what to do. It's showtime! Rap-a-tap-tap, thrum-a-trum-trum, plink-a-pink-pink, ting-a-ting-ting, duck-a-duck-a-duck, baloo-baloo. The crowd stands and cheers. We smile and bow. Friends make the best band. Wow, what an incredible show. Ty really put on a performance to remember, didn't he? From nerves to excitement, he really shone in the spotlight. What about you? If you could be on stage, what would your show be about? Would you sing, dance, or tell jokes? I would love to know what your talent is. Let me know in the comments. And guess what? Ty's got more adventures lined up. What do you think he'll do next? Stay tuned to find out. Ty always has something exciting in store. If you had fun with Ty's Showtime adventure, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can join us for more exciting backstage fun. Until next time, keep shining, keep performing, and keep having fun. Bye for now.